खासियत ये है कि आई एम वेरी हैप्पी कि इट्स हैपनिंग इन माई ओन सिटी. हमारी आई थिंक मुंबई सिटी की शान है, इतनी बड़ी फेस्टिवल दैट हैज़ बिन पुट टुगेदर टू सेलिब्रेट सिनेमा. आई थिंक दैट एक्चुअली इट्स द फर्स्ट टाइम, पहली बार आ रही हूँ मामी के लिए. आई थिंक it's something that I needed to lend my support to just be a part of the fraternity, feel a part of the city, feel like a Mumbaikar. And also I think that it's about artists, it's about movies, it's about films. And I think it's just great and everyone's working so hard to put this together. So I'm so happy.
करीना, हमने कभी भी बॉलीवुड की अगर बात की जाए तो कभी भी हमने किसी आर्टिस्ट को जो टू बी मॉम है उसे इतना बिजी नहीं देखा है जितना आपको बिजी देखा. आप फोटोशूट कराती हैं, आप कहीं जाके कुछ इनॉग्रेट करती हैं, मामी फिल्म फेस्टिवल में मतलब पार्टी में आती हैं. मतलब यू हैव सेट अ न्यू स्टैंडर्ड एंड न्यू रूल.
नहीं, I don't think so. I think that I don't know. I mean, it's the most normal thing. It's the most beautiful thing, and I think that जैसे you get married, you share your happiness with everyone. And pregnancy is also something that you must share with everybody. It's not that, I should, if I'm having a baby or I'm pregnant, I should sit at home. It doesn't mean that. I'm a working woman and I would continue to work all my life. मैंने हमेशा कहा है, तो ऐसे कोई example consciously set करने नहीं गई हूँ. बस ऐसे हो गया है कि I have always continued my work. I loved the film, obviously.
ऐश्वर्या की परफॉर्मेंस के बारे में क्या?
I think all actors, whether it's Ranbir or Anushka or Ash, I think everyone has done such a fantastic job in the film, and I think audience is going to love the film. I think it's Karan's best.
परफॉर्मेंस में पसंद आए, लेकिन जो कंट्रोवर्सी हुई है दिलो इमोशनल को लेकर उसके बारे में कुछ कहेंगे?
But I think Mami is the place where we're celebrating cinema. It's about, films, movies that we love, that we want to celebrate. I don't think it's a place to talk about controversies. And that's why Mami is a festival which, talks about, films and different artists, different films. So I don't think we should spoil the mood and talk about something that already has been resolved.
अच्छा, वीरा द वेडिंग के बारे में कुछ बताने वाले क्या?
Well, we're very excited about the film. It's going to be India's first kind of typical chick flick, जिसे कहते हैं. And yeah, hopefully it'll be lots of fun and very exciting. And it's all about women power, and of course good-looking people.
Karina, one last question, Karina. Because you do so many brand endorsements, I want your reaction on this. अगर किसी celeb को अगर brand as a brand endorser निकाल देते हैं, तो क्या उसका popularity या star value affect होता है because of that?
No, I don't think so. I think that, there's enough brands in the market. I think aajkal to means a lot of people are endorsing my brands. Tomorrow even किसी कोई भी हो, if somebody calls up, I think everybody is endorsing 20 brands. ऐसे कोई brand नहीं है कि अगर आइसक्रीम है तो मार्केट में 10 आइसक्रीम है, तो ना एक आर्टिस्ट 10 आइसक्रीम थोड़ी कर सकता है. And let me tell you, every actor is endorsing every brand. You calling me for any brand, I'll endorse your brand. Don't forget.